Welcome back to the channel, all you fish slayers. I am Fishhook Terry, and this is going to be a very special unboxing video. The reel that's in this box, we're not even talking Game Changer, all right? Game Changer was so 2019. What's in this box is 2020 next level. I can't wait to show you what I was just able to get my hands on. Guys, this is going to be a good one. So if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification button, and let's go ahead and dig into this brand new reel. All right, guys, I have been dying to get my hands on this reel the moment I saw it being released, and I've been scouring the internet waiting for it. I found one place who has got it before anybody else. This is Fishing Pro Tech. Found them on Facebook. They don't even have a web page. Found them on Facebook. Found this reel. It was the last one they had. Apparently they just got a few of them, and most of the other major retailers, if they're even getting these, don't have them in stock yet. This, in this unboxing, is this guy right here. This is the brand new for 2020 Shimano Metanium MGL. Brand spanking new, guys. This is what we're gonna dig into, but looks like I got hooked up with some extra goodies. This is a Picasso Lures. This is a 3/8 ounce spinnerbait. It's pretty cool. See? Fishing Pro Tech gave me some stickers. Ooh, here we go. Little Shimano sticker. Another pretty cool sticker. Business card. All right, sweet. Well, thank you guys over at Fishing Pro Tech. Let's dive in to the meat and potatoes. The brand new for 2020 Shimano Metanium MGL. Now, I'm gonna run through the stats on this reel very quick. I've never even played with this reel before. It's brand new. It's brand spanking new. So I'm gonna try to run through the specs. I'm gonna tell you the 3 things that I think are gonna make this reel possibly the best reel for 2020. And granted, it's early yet. It's only February. We still have iCast to go through. But I think this reel is going to be a contender based on what this is bringing to the table. So let's bust it open. Like all Shimanos, you've got your wonderful kind of breakdown of the reel and a little pamphlet here. This reel, I'm like a little kid in a candy store. Wow, okay. This is gorgeous. This reel is a knockout. Would you just look at how sexy this reel is? I mean, for real, just look at it. This thing is gorgeous. This might be the sexiest Shimano reel out there. It's got that side plate, very similar to the Bantam MGL. This thing is built like a tank. Okay, before we even get into the full specs on this reel, I just want to give you my initial impressions. This thing, out of the box, feels absolutely incredible. And it's gonna be, I'm gonna talk about that here in a second, and the reason why it feels incredible. But this reel, honestly, is next level in its construction. This is a fine piece of machinery, and I'm almost speechless. I'm so excited to have this finally in my hand, and this is going to be a reel I know I'm going to be using for years and years. So enough of the rambling. Let's go into the specs really fast. And I'm breaking out the phone so I don't forget anything. First off, it's got a magnesium coarse solid body. It's got micro module gearing. It's got silent tune. It's got the MGL3 spool. It's got CI4 star drag. It's got the SARB bearings. It's got X-Ship, and it's got the SVS Infinity braking. You're gonna find these in the same gear ratios as before. This is the 7:1:1. They have a 6-speed and an 8-speed, right hand, left hand. The right hands always come out first for Shimano. That's what I have here today. I'm not sure when the lefties will be available, and I'm not sure when all of these will be available to the public. Like I said, I jumped on it the moment I saw that they had one of these reels available. I don't know if they fell off the back of a truck somewhere. These guys hooked me up. They were amazing, great service. And like I said, they don't even have a website. You've got to find them on Facebook, but they had them first. I jumped on it, and I'm excited that I did. I think this is the deal, fellas. So the first one to me, and again, right out of the box, I feel this immediately, is the Core Solid Body. All right, the Core Solid Body is a one-piece body for the frame of this reel. And what it's doing is it's giving you just this incredible strength and stability with this reel. The tolerances are so right on the money that everything just feels as if you have this in your hand. And I'm excited to even just put it on a rod and go sling it around, but it feels like it's part of you because there's no slop, there's no play in it. It feels incredible. That's the best I can say. If you need to put this in your hand to double check, if you need to buy it, do so. But be prepared. You start playing around with this reel right off the bat, you're gonna want one. The solid nature of that Core Solid Body with the magnesium, it's slick. And now the new MGL is actually smaller because of that magnesium. So guys have been running these Metaniums forever. Now you've got that smaller compact body, the solid frame with that Core Solid Body. It's awesome, guys. That's really cool, and I think that's the first thing that's going to make this stand out is the Core Solid Body. That's number one, Core Solid Body. To all you fish slayers out there that already have a Metanium, the old version of the MGL, do you think that you'll switch? Do you think that you'll go to this new magnesium Core Solid Body version? Let me know in the comments below if you are planning on switching. Why or why not? I want to hear from you guys, you old Metanium lovers out there, if you'll wind up switching or grabbing one of these new ones for 2020. The number 2 stat of why this reel is going to be next level for 2020 is the MGL3 spool. Now, that spool was already present on the flagship reel, the Antares reel. So now you're getting super solid, amazing gear trickle down to these reels, and again, you're talking a reel that normally at Antares at $600. Now you're starting to get that spool on this $419 reel. Again, that ain't cheap, right? This is a big investment for somebody, but when you start adding these things together, you're talking about a reel that's going to last a long time, and you're going to have fun throwing. So that MGL3 spool, it's going to start up your initial cast inertia by less than 17% than the other model. Okay, so what that means is you start to cast, it's going to get moving faster. That's going to help you on your casting distance, your accuracy. Again, you've got the SVS braking in here, so you're going to be able to throw light lures, heavy lures, everything in between. This is going to be a versatile reel because of the spool, the braking, all of it. So that's number 2. I think that is next level. You get that high-end, very light spool on this reel. I'm going to spool it up with your guys' recommendation. I asked on Instagram, I did a little poll. What should I put on my new reel? I didn't tell anybody this was coming in the mail, but it was between Power Pro, Sunline Sniper, and this just beat it out. This is the Seaguar InvizX, and I went with the 15-pound because I plan on, with this reel and this rod I'm going to show you here in a moment, this whole package is going to be next level. I plan on using this for my spinner baits that I had in the box here, chatterbaits, maybe swim jigs. So I went with the 15-pound fluoro. Really, I just want to sit here all night and just go like this. Just over and over and over and over. Okay, so the number 3 spec to this. First, we had the core solid body. 2, we had the MGL3 spool. The third thing is the brass gears. Now, the last model of the MGL Metanium had aluminum gears. They went with the brass in this new version. Now, there's a little bit of a trade-off, okay? The brass is super durable, and a lot of guys are really excited about having that in this reel because they know it's going to be super dependable. But the brass, being a heavier metal, is going to add weight to this reel. So, with having the magnesium frame and the brass gears, you're actually going to top out at the same weights as the previous model. For me, weight really isn't a huge issue. I don't mind it. I think what's nice is that this reel, because of the magnesium, they're able to get the reel more compact than the original model. So if you were an old Metanium guy who loved that size and didn't worry about the weight, then I wouldn't worry about the weight with this. I think the solid play, the next level play, is doing the brass gears. Having the brass with the core solid body means that this thing is going to last for ages. There's guys already out there trying to scoop up old Corrados and all sorts of old Shimano reels. They've been doing it forever. I think that's what's going to happen with this. This reel is going to last for ages. I mean, you're going to be able to beat it up and take it out on the water. You can be a tournament guy with this reel. It's going to last and last and last. The way the construction is built on this, there's going to be guys looking for this reel for years to come because the core solid body, the MGL3 spool, and the brass gears make this thing super next level. Now, what I'm going to do tonight, I'm going to go ahead and edit this video so I can drop this ASAP. I'm going to spool it up with this Invisex 15-pound fluoro. And to take this thing to the super next level, I'm only going to show you a little bit of this rod. But a lot of you guys have been saying, listen, this is the one you need to check out. This is the Poison Adrena. This is the 7'3" medium heavy rod. I just got this thing yesterday to pair up with this reel. This thing is so super light. The action is really crisp. It's got this awesome handle here. Guys have been raving about this rod. There's not a lot of information about it out there. Again, this is the next level, top of the line rod for Shimano North America. I'm going to pair these together. I'm going to throw some line on here, and I'm going to go try to find a spot and do some casting, do a video for you guys on that to kind of show you what to expect with the casting distance and accuracy out of this reel. So I'm going to throw everything together. I'm going to get that new video out soon. So if you're new to the channel and you like this stuff, unboxings and gear tests, please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell notification button because I plan on getting that video out to you guys ASAP with this hot brand new equipment for 2020. I want you guys to be able to check it out as soon as possible. So guys, are you excited for the new Metanium MGL? If so, leave it in the comments below. I'm curious of what you guys think. Is there a spec or some information that I left out? Please let me know. I will answer any questions for you. And like I said in the beginning, if you like unboxings, let me know. I want to do unboxings and things that you guys want to do. I want your input to make this channel awesome for you, the viewer. I am Fishhook Terry. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I will catch you in the next one. Tight lines, everybody. Peace.